Another new release of Digital Explorer just deployed. A couple of things we've added into this release. So firstly, new landing page. No longer taking you directly to the main trends page, giving you the choice, which explaining what each module does and which one you then might want to go to. Within workspaces, something I'm really, really pleased with, real-time collaboration. You've always been able to invite other people to join that workspace, but you weren't aware if they were there and what content they were adding. You had to go back and reload it. So what now happens is you'll be able to see when people join and what they're adding. There's also some other nice features which I'll show you as well. Linked with the release that we made last time around reading a document, we've extended that further. You can now read a website. So you can point at a URL and it will read that URL. So if that URL happens to be a document or the investor report for a client, it will now read that in. Linked to that as well around the documents, we're no longer storing them. There's no need. They're up on SharePoint, keep them on SharePoint. So all we do with document analysis is read the document. We don't need to store the document. That's some, I'll show you those. Within solutions, new achievement, you consider the flow of the platform. We create innovation agendas, digital blueprints. They create a set of ideas. Those ideas become solutions. And that's real connected flow using the platform. So there's now a special achievement for that idea to solution action. So solution champion achievement is there. So that's a nice one. I'm interested to see how that quickly that one gets awarded to people. But let's have a look at a few bits and pieces. I'm going to drop out of here. I'm going to go to the landing page. So what we've got here now, when I hit the site, we just get the 5 blocks that explain what each module does and giving you the choice as to which one is right for you. Don't get swamped or bombarded if you're a first-time user or not familiar with the overall platform as to land in 1,000 industry use cases around trends. If I want to use workspaces, I can go straight to workspaces here, solutions, etc., etc. But let's have a look at what we've done within workspaces. So here you can see I've got this new release workspace. There's nothing in it at the moment. There's a couple of things that we've added here. So online members, no one's joined yet. Analyze a website, analyze a document. So here's similar to what we were doing last time. I can now analyze a URL. So I can actually put in URL, dxc.com, dxc.com website, and when I go off and read that information, and it will do exactly the same as what it's doing with the document, it will match that. I can also add in documents, of course. I can load in document. Again here, note, we do not store. We're no longer storing content. So it's analyzing a website. But what about real-time collaboration? So on my other PC, what I've got another user logged in. And that person's going to join, and we'll see here that admin has joined this workspace. So it's informed me someone else has joined. If I now look at online members, I get myself an admin, and the same on the other side. So what happens now is the admin, the other user group, the other people using, can then also start adding in their own content, and I'll see that dropping in to the workspace as it's being done. You'll notice my mouse is not moving. This is not me doing it. This is the other person in the workspace. Now, the other thing that they can do, or anybody that's a member and online, they can select the present option. So if I select present on my other system, you'll see now admin is lit up. Admin is going to show me what they're looking at. So as you're working through this and you've got lots of cards on your page, if admin's looking at big data, it will highlight it for me, business process, etc. So as I'm going over that, you can follow along. You don't have to share your screen. You can sort of see what people are looking at, if they're adding any notes around it as well. So really sort of trying to bring that real-time collaboration together with that highly connected information. And as before, suggested content will adjust based on what any member of that workspace is doing. So some nice new features within that. Please, as always, if you've got any feedback, any issues, any enhancement requests, let us know. Thank you.